The VEVOR Sand Filter Pump is designed to efficiently circulate water with its powerful 1/2 horsepower motor, ensuring your above-ground pool remains clean and clear. This versatile pump system offers multiple operational modes such as filter, rinse, backwash, and more, simplifying pool maintenance tasks significantly. With its dual leak-proof design, the pump provides a secure and reliable experience, making it suitable for a variety of pool settings, from home pools to small water parks. The maintenance process is made easy with a filter basket that is straightforward to assemble and disassemble, and a transparent cover for easy monitoring. Expertly engineered to handle 0.5 to 0.8 millimeter sand or sand filter balls, this pump excels at removing fine particles and debris, enhancing the water quality. Installation is hassle-free, especially for Intex pools, thanks to the included connectors, allowing you to set up the pump system with minimal effort.